ESD PVC flooring tiles for aerospace possess several key features. Firstly, the static control flooring tiles have high electrostatic dissipation with a controlled resistance ranging from 1.0 x 10 E4 to 1.0 by 10 × 10 to the 6 ohms per square, or 1.0 x 10 E6 to 1.0 by 10 × 10 to the 9 ohms per square on the surface, enabling the safe dissipation of static charges. Secondly, these static tiles are highly durable, capable of withstanding wear, as well as exposure to chemicals, oils, and fuels. Thirdly, the ESD vinyl tiles are fire-resistant, meeting strict standards by having low flame spread and smoke generation. Additionally, they are anti-slip and may also have shock absorption properties. Hangars and maintenance facilities. Mechanics and technicians work on aircraft components that are highly sensitive to ESD, such as avionics bays, fuel systems, and electrical wiring. The anti-static flooring tiles prevent static electricity from being transferred to these components during maintenance operations, reducing the risk of damage and ensuring the reliability of the repaired or serviced systems. Avionics assembly and testing areas. These areas require a strict ESD control environment to prevent any potential damage during the assembly, testing, and calibration processes. The ESD control tiles provide a stable and static-free surface, allowing for precise and accurate work on the avionics equipment, ensuring the highest level of quality and reliability in the final products. Control towers and mission control centers. The ESD static flooring tiles help prevent ESD events that could disrupt the operation of the control systems, ensuring continuous and reliable communication, navigation, and monitoring functions. This is crucial for the safety and success of aerospace missions.